Nexa 3D, makers of the productivity workhorse NXE 400 photopolymer printer, introduce the NXE 400 Pro and NXE 200 Pro additive manufacturing platforms. The NXE Pro Series industrial printers are much like the originals, only better. NXE Pro Series printers feature an armored LCD mask, which improves print repeatability and reliability. Pro Series light engines are compatible with both slotted and solid build plates, minimizing post-process labor on parts printed without supports. The new build plate designs retain less resin and are easier to wash between jobs. Improved self-draining design results in 25 to 50% less resin waste, reducing operation costs. Nexa 3D's Everlast membrane technology performs best on the Pro Series due to an optimized membrane offset, resulting in perfect tension and consistent separation force. First layer consistency is improved with a new homing algorithm. The NXE Pro Series printers are compatible with a broader range of materials, including strain-hardening materials like Nexa 3D's new XESD resin. Visit nexa3d.com to learn more about the NXE Pro Series printers and request a sample part.